Welcome back. You are watching IFFI News. IFFI 2011 has lots of specialties. Film Village is one of those. Accommodation arrangement for the visiting students of various film and television institutes in the form of tents have turned into nightmare for the boarders. Sudden rain showers on Monday late evening worsened the condition as these tents had no protection against rains. The effort by organizers to encourage the students to participate in IFFI has failed. Our field coordinator Dipti Nagvekar and video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar report.
फ़ायदा एक तरीके से हुआ ये है कि वी वर ऑल न्यू टू गोवा, तो हमको गोवा में क्या है पता नहीं है, एंड इट्स क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव इफ़ यू लुक अराउंड फॉर प्लेस. दैट्स द ओनली एडवांटेज दैट वी हैव फेल्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ दिस वन प्लेस वेयर यू कैन स्टे ऑल ऑफ अस, लाइक वी आर अ ग्रुप ऑफ 50, so we all are put up in one place, so we are not separated that way. And the other thing is it's close to the venue.
प्रॉब्लम्स कुछ हो रहे हैं वहाँ पे?
We have faced a lot of problems actually. Like first of all, when we landed, एक दिन पहले कुछ लोग आए थे, so they were telling us that get a few things which we were not told earlier, like bedsheet लाना था क्योंकि चादरें वहाँ नहीं थी, and then like pillow covers. Some of them had to bring their own pillow covers. And then when we arrived there, we didn't have enough toilets, so there were only 4 toilets and 4 bathrooms in the gents section and 4 and 4 for the women's section. Then more guys are obviously. So then we spoke to them, then they said that you can use a swimming pool, and then there's one more beside that. So we were not aware of these places, and पानी नहीं है, and the place is not clean. Sanitation का problem था पहले दिन, but after that we somehow got adjusted to the place.
वहाँ पे टेंट्स लगाए गए हैं, which is a nice setup, you know, staying in Goa, बीच साइड पे रह रहे हो आप, टेंट में रह रहे हो. Is it space, मतलब हर एक आदमी के लिए स्पेस जितना चाहिए उतना स्पेस आपको मिल रहा है वहाँ पे?
वो कह रहे हैं कि एक टेंट में they can accommodate 8 people, but 8 लोग नहीं रह सकते वहाँ पे. You can have a maximum of 5 people. क्योंकि लगेज होता है. They said they're going to provide locker facility. That locker facility is more like one, ये जो स्विमिंग पूल में लॉकर होता है ना, वैसे छोटा सा लॉकर होता है. So you cannot keep anything there. So you can have at max of 5 people and not more than that. और टेंट भी ऐसा रहता है कि समझो कि कल तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो गया क्योंकि it rained yesterday evening. So all our mattresses, luggage, the tent was totally wet. So it was a major issue yesterday night.
आपको सोने में कल तकलीफ हुआ और उन्होंने अल्टरनेट कुछ अरेंजमेंट किया?
कल रात को 12:30 बजे उन्होंने कहा कि दिल शिफ्ट टू द इंडोर स्टेडियम. तो इंडोर स्टेडियम में ये था कि देयर आर टेबल टेनिस का जो रूम है, इट्स दैट स्पेस दैट दे वर विलिंग टू गिव, बट वहाँ पे भी ये था कि सुबह 7 बजे आपको उठना है क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स विल कम देयर टू प्रैक्टिस. तो 1 बजे आप बोलते हैं कि वहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो जाओ एंड देन 7 बजे अगेन उठना पड़ेगा. ये थोड़ा काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गया हम लोग को येस्टरडे नाइट स्पेसिफिकली.
अभी इस साल आपका अरेंजमेंट हुआ है, आपने ये इतना सब कुछ देखा है, सो अगर नेक्स्ट ईयर इफ़ी हो रहा है यहाँ पे गोवा में, वो वही सेम अरेंजमेंट रहेगा तो यू विल बी विलिंग टू कम टू गोवा?
No, not definitely. Definitely will not be willing to come because we were told of this through the organizers. It came to our institute, so it was an official intimation that we got, and through the institute we arranged for the whole thing. So you know, when you arrange for this and you're looking forward to staying in a place, and basically they're telling that it's a camp. It's not that you've come here for camping. You've come here to watch and study films. So you know, you want something which is decent. We're not asking for something really great. At least decent sanitation होना चाहिए. आपको problem नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि आप सुबह उठ रहे हैं. You're coming here at around 8:30. So I'm sure that most of us will not come here. And this is the first time that they offered such a thing, and we were looking forward to it. But it's not been a good experience for us.
Difficulties of the Film Institute students staying at Film Village were worsened by the rain showers which occurred on Monday evening. This is me, Dipti Nagvekar, with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar for Prudent Media.
Film critic Sachin Chatte recommends certain movies to be watched on a day-to-day basis. Our video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar brings to you tips of Sachin Chatte's viewing films on Wednesday.
The film festival is in full progress here, and on day 7 here are some of the films that you might want to check out. The first film that I'm going to recommend is by Wim Wenders, a very well-known filmmaker from Germany, and he has made a film called Pina, which is shot in 3D. Now Pina is based on the life of the most famous German choreographer, and add to it Wim Wenders' techniques, 3D, all these elements should combine and make it a film to look out for. Another film that you might want to check out on Wednesday, the 30th of November, is called A Kid with a Bike, the film that was made famous at the Cannes Film Festival when it won a jury prize. The story here is about a boy, a dysfunctional family, I must say, and he's in search of his father. The father doesn't want this young kid, and he takes help from a lady. And it's the story of the father, the lady, and this little boy there. So make sure you check out this film called A Kid with a Bike, which will be shown on 30th of November.
Samedi prochain,
Je vais essayer. T'inquiète pas, je t'appellerai.
si t'arrives pas à me téléphoner, je reviendrai te voir ici.
Qu'est-ce qu'il t'a dit, ton père?
Il m'a dit qu'il m'appellerait. Peut-être samedi. Je lui ai donné mon numéro de GSM.
Non, rien que de penser que je dois le voir, je stresse. Non, il vous aime bien, occupez-vous de lui, c'est la seule solution.
C'est vous qui veut voir, pas moi.
Bah, il m'oubliera. Non, je vous en supplie, occupez-vous de lui.
Vous devriez lui dire vous-même.
Another interesting film being screened on the 30th of November is a Polish film called Joanna. The story is set during World War II, where a lady called Joanna takes care of a young girl who is a Jew. And it was just the time when Hitler's army had invaded Poland. And how Joanna takes care of the girl and how whether she'll be able to survive or no, that's the million-dollar question. Now, most of these World War II films do teach us an interesting lesson, and Joanna is no different. So make sure you watch this film called Joanna, which will be screened on 30th of November.
Mam niedobrą wiadomość.
Nie oddasz mnie nikomu.
Nie oddam.
Well, we'll give you more tips as to what to watch at the ongoing International Film Festival of India. Keep watching Prudent Media.
And before we end this bulletin, we bring to you our video of the day, glittering performance by Stereo Nation at IFFI in Margao. Have a great day up ahead. Goodbye.
I'm so in love with you, girl. I'm so in love with you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sing. I love you, I love you. I'm so in love with you, girl, yeah. You're my people everywhere. And that's what we're gonna do right now. Let me rock it out. Let me shake it up like this. Here we go. Let me sing it now. छड़ के न जावे सुन बल्लिए सबू छड़ के न जावे सुन बल्ली तेरा तो मेरी जान उड़े उड़े जावे न जावे छड़ बल्लिए सबू छड़ के न जावे सुन बल्लिए सबू छड़ के न जावे सुन बल्ली तेरा तो मेरी जान उड़े उड़े जावे न जावे छड़ बल्लिए रात नशीली मस्त समा है आज नशे में सारा जहां है रात नशीली मस्त समा है आज नशे में सारा जहां है आए शराबी मौसम बहकाए रूप तेरा मस्ताना यार मेरा दीवाना रूप तेरा मस्ताना यार मेरा दीवाना भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए जब मैं तेरे तेरी तिहाई मिल गया हूं तू मैनू दस मैं की करा हूं तू मैनू दस मैं की करा मैनू रात नींद ना आवे मैनू रात नींद ना आवे तेरी दिल नो याद सतावे तू सुन ले सोनिए लाल बुल्लियां लाल बुल्लियां ते दो दो रंग मुंडे हाय नी सारे करते लाल बुल्लियां ते दो दो रंग मुंडे हाय नी सारे करते है नी सपत लोगा है नी सपत लोगा है नी सपत लोगा है नी सपत लोगा Coimbra de Chopin, ainda és capital de amor em Portugal, ainda. Coimbra onde uma vez com lágrimas se fez a história de chinês tão linda. Coimbra das canções tão mega pequenos pães, os nossos corações a luz. Coimbra dos doutores, para nós os teus cantores, ao monte dos amores.